and I never close. And the crazy is just not to be there. Tomorrow will be gone to find another goal. The day we reaction and I should thank. What should I waste all my life? Singing up the dreams and making it right. Because we are human and we are stupid. We never appreciate what we can. We're always unhappy even when we reach goals. After all these days of hard work. Cause I can't see the happiness and it's time to breathe there. Cause when you return home, you feel that it's not enough. And that's why we always looking for something that